Okay, guys, so I just woke up from a very loud noise, and it's coming from my Radio Shack that I recently got.
Saturday.
And this is what the noise it makes. I'm trying to see if I can get it for you guys. Yeah, guys, you can see it's 3:42. Yeah, it's 3:42 a.m. That's what time it woke me up. It woke me up at 3 a.m. and I'm trying to get this noise to stop here. I don't know why it's doing that. So, yeah. So I'm gonna see if I can maybe catch it. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with my Midland. It's just the Radio Shack that's... something's up with it. Okay, hold on. Maybe if I, like, snooze on alarm. Okay. Yeah, I don't understand why it's doing that noise, guys. But if it's doing that if it does that noise, please let me know in the comments how you get it to stop. Cause seriously, man, that was literally the most annoying thing, bro. Seriously, dude. Like, seriously, how are you supposed to, like, seriously? That just does not make any sense. Yeah, guys. Cannot believe that woke me up. Okay, so for some reason it's not gonna do the noise now. So I don't know if I, like, got rid of it. I don't know.
Monday night, scattered thunderstorms in the evening. Mostly cloudy with scattered showers.
Okay, so the noise that this Radio Shack does is... Yeah, that's what the noise did. That's what the noise was. And it woke me up. Which was very annoying because... I don't know. Alright, guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and end the video. And, yeah, and I'm going to see if it does that noise again. I don't even know if I should even... I don't know. Seriously, man. That was just so uncalled for when it did that noise. So, yeah, guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and end the video. So, see ya.